நாங்கள் இந்த போட்டில் ஏறப்புறம் இந்த பீச் எல்லாம் ஸ்டோன் பீச் எல்லாம் கல்லாகவே இருக்குது, வடிவான கல்லுகள். போட்டில் போய் கொண்டிருக்கோம்.
And we're going to begin by heading towards the bay, and we're going to follow the chalk cliffs right up towards the lighthouse, passing some consorts and some caves along the way. And once we get to the lighthouse, we're going to cross the boat, give you a good opportunity of some photographs, and of course tell you plenty more about it too. And then after that, we're just going to head out wide, cross the bay, back towards our berth, and at the end of the trip, we'll cross the boat, give a chance to a photo of those colour sands before we go back in alongside. We'll deal with the problem and let you know exactly what to do next. Now obviously, it doesn't really take scientists to realise quite a busy trip here. There's lots of people being seated throughout the trip to keep everybody comfortable on board. If you do have any problems, please do.
கிளிஃப் கொட்டப்பட்டு இருக்குது. நல்ல வடிவான இடம். நீங்களும் உங்களோட சேர்ந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த கிளிஃபுக்கு தான் போகிறோம், போய்கொண்டிருக்கிறோம் போட்டில். ஒரு லைட் ஹவுஸ். லைட் ஹவுஸ் தான் டார்கெட் பண்ணி போகுது போட். இல்லை விண்டோ எல்லாம் வச்சிருக்கிறாங்க. இட்ஸ் a secret place. இந்த கிளிஃபுக்கு கீழே பெரிய பில்டிங் இருக்குதான்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. தான் நீரில்னு சொல்கிறாங்க.
It's awfully old nonetheless.
So beautiful.
It was in 1994 by the three lighthouse keepers who worked on a month-off rotation, and since then it's been fully automatic. The only people allowed out here nowadays is the maintenance team, and they visit every 4 weeks or so. And they do the opportunity to stay overnight if they really do have to. But they very rarely do at all. The exercises, the local Coast Guard come down the helicopter, drop a winchman on the top, but that's about it. You can see the lights on the top, black buoy to the left of us. Advocates on there is a shipwreck, the remains of an old steam ship called Wight. Quick story time, it was 1947 where she lost the power and steering, awaiting a pilot boat to enter Southampton. She drifted about 150 metres off the lighthouse and broke in two, and a cargo of rather expensive wine she was carrying started to lift up out of the cargo holds. And it's a true story. But the remains of the shipwreck are still down there today, about 2 or 3 metres under the water surface, and if you go on the island race, there's always a few, always popping over the top. Quite insanely toss, to be honest. They did a very good job of that. About 90% of the port, the workings of the port, actually underground in a subterranean world, really. Obviously, they've got a lot more on the top since. When they stopped using the port, they built a Coast Guard station on the top, and they now use that as a tea room. As the Coast Guard, who are still watching out over us, located in a much smaller hut at the top of the headland with a pointy roof. Your battery, all run by the National Trust now, obviously quite a popular attraction. Some great views up there, I'm sure you can all imagine. And to get up there, you can walk on the legs, about 25-minute walk. About 2 seconds ago was flashing red, and give another 10-15 seconds, it will change to green. There we go, magic. Turning green now, look.
The கடற்கரை கடல் color change பண்ணி கொண்டிருக்குது.
So just continue the mainland coastline. You can
Green,
see now the points out. So you've got the Christchurch area, and to the right of that
speed
you've
boat.
got Rutherford Bath.
அங்க திருப்பி கரைக்கு போறோம். கடற்கரைக்கு நல்ல அழகான கடற்கரை. There we go, he's going to pause the boat here for just a minute, give you a chance for a photo of the colour stands. We'll get back in alongside. If you're curious about the colours, they say there's anything up to 21 of them. 21 colors-ல இருக்குது இந்த cliff.
13 million years ago during a massive earthquake. We'll have to opposite sides.
இல்ல 21 color நிறம் இருக்குது இந்த cliff-ல. 21 colors.
And that's all done. Thank you very much for your time today. Hope you enjoyed your trip and have a lovely afternoon.
Amazing view.
Make the most of the sunshine.
மற்ற ஸ்பீட் போட் வலிக்கிட்டு இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம இந்த யூடியூப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மீண்டும் நல்லதொரு வீடியோவில் சந்திக்கும் வரை நன்றி, வணக்கம்.